friends, running Kimono here. So we're going to be talking about this booster. It's only valid till Saturday. It's a 5 off of 20 at the Dollar General for Gain merchandise. Merry Christmas. This is a gift. And if you pair it with the Saturday 5 off of 25, you're having $10 of savings on a $25 basket. You need at least $20 of Gain merch. But I hope you can see the deep savings here because it is going to be fantastic on Saturday. Couple ground rules for you. The biggest savings will be on the 19th, which is Saturday. If you want to go before that, your basket will be an extra $5. You got to get to $25 before coupons and at least $20 of Gain merchandise. Bring a pad of paper and a pen so you can write everything down. Do it old school. You really got to pay attention. Use the Dollar General app to scan barcodes to ensure that that 5 off of 20 is attaching to said Gain products. And any issues, you can always void your transaction. But that Dollar General app is the game changer for this. I will leave a video at the end if you want to check it out. But this is going to be absolutely fantastic coming on Saturday. Okay guys, and as you can see, when this was taking place last month, I was able to get a basket of $25 of goods, and with the two different boosters, they did in fact stack, and I got this whole basket of Gain and coffee for $6.12. I mean, there's nothing better than that. If you could follow my lead, be very intentional with everything, you will have a lot of success on Saturday, and I mean, there's nothing greater than this to get a basket of $25 of merch down to $6.12. Well, that's what it's all about. Okay, so deal number one is 100% digital. So we're going to need our two cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 20 and the 5 off of 25. So these digital boosters are of a one-time use, so you'll have to choose one deal and do it really well, but make sure that you have both of these loaded to your store card. Okay, so the first item that we're going to be grabbing, guys, is a 51 count of the Gain Flings for $13.50. They have a whole host of different scents with that, like Aloha, this purple one, original. Make sure the 5 off of 20 is attaching, so you're going to have to scan along with that $3 digital coupon. And then off of this bingo chart, they have a whole bunch of products for $6.95. You'll have to pick one of them. We have a $2 digital that's attaching, making it $4.95. So if you want a fabric product or a detergent, go for it. I would personally go with a detergent. I guess some things are pretty predictable, but this is a huge bottle of Gain liquid detergent, so that's great. And these are the digital coupons. We have a $2 for the whichever product you want, a detergent or a fabric enhancer, $2 off. And then for our flings, we have a 3 off of the 51. Now, to make our basket right to 25, we're going to grab one of these Chic Classics for $4.50. You can either opt for this one or the men's one, which is in a green package. And then this wonderful $3 coupon showed up on Sunday morning, which is a $3 off. So please make sure that you have that loaded. And then to make our basket right at 25, we're going to grab something from the dollar spot, or you can grab a soda if you wish, or even something from the Christmas section, really cheap, just something really inexpensive. So this bag of dog bones is $1. Looking at the math, we have a Gain Fling 51 count for $13.50, one Gain detergent for $6.95, one Chic Classic razor for $4.50, and then one little filler item. I'm going with something from the dollar spot for $1. It could be a drink, it could be whatever you want, but don't forget your dollar spot item. So the total for this basket is $25.95. After the cashier scans your last item, punch your phone number in. 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 are coming off. Remember, we're doing this on a Saturday, along with $8 of digital manufacturers that I showed you in the slides previous. You're left with paying $7.95 out of pocket for the 4 items, making it $1.98 for each product. This is a very spectacular digital deal. Okay, so for that last deal, we're just going to augment it a little bit. If you're like, I don't want to buy a razor, I don't want to look at a razor, but you need toilet paper, we're just going to look at this deal in a different way. So the Charmin Essential Soft is $5 on the nose. And I think this is a time that a lot of us should be stocking up on paper products just to be smart. And you guys are watching this video, so you're already smart, but you know what I'm saying? It's just a really great staple for your stockpile. Grab one of these for $5 on the nose, and then we have this quarter coupon. So It's not much, but hey, it's better than a kick in the pants. So instead of that razor and the dog bones or the razor and the filler item, we're going to grab one of these $5 toilet papers. So looking at the math again with the new item. So one of the Gain Flings is $13.50, one Gain detergent for $6.95, one Charmin Essential for $5 on the nose. The total for your basket is $25.45. After the final item is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25, 5 off of 20 are coming off, along with $5.25 of digital manufacturers. You're paying $10.20 for the 3 products, essentially shaking it out to $3.40 for each. That is not too shabby. Okay, guys, so for this next deal, we're going to be looking at throwing a couple paper coupons with the deal. We're going to have our 5 off of 20 with the 5 off of 25. So you need these 2 boosters to play for this little deal. And no big surprise, we're going to be grabbing a couple of these guys. So whichever ones you want, and they have to correspond with the coupons as well. So just kind of pay attention to what you're grabbing. But we're going to need a few of these for $6.95. And they are the much larger products as well in the Gain line. So we're going to need this digital coupon, which is a $2 off. So whichever product you want to grab. And then we're going to be grabbing, I think this coupon, you could pretty much grab anything off that list too. Because if you read the fine print, you know, there's Gain Flings, but then there's a whole bunch of other items listed. And this is from the Retail Me Not of December the 13th. We're going to need this guy from coupons.com. So this one is for specifically a fling product. 24 to 35. So these are on coupons.com, the app, and then this one for a detergent. So you're going to have to grab at least one of each to correspond with coupons.com. So grabbing 4 of these products for $6.95 a pop, that's a total of $27.80. You will present one $2 coupon from the Retail Me Not of December the 13th. That'll scan perfectly. After that coupon is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 are coming off, along with one $2 digital manufacturer. You're paying $13.80 out of pocket. This does not include your tax. And then you're going to make 2 submissions to coupons.com, the app, for the last 2 I showed you. And then you're going to get $4 back. So the final price point here for your basket is $9.80 for the 4, or $2.45 per product. So, you know, this is a really great deal. If you might have one insert coupon and you want to just like move things around, absolutely go for it. It's a great little deal. Now, we're going to go back and just kind of augment this deal. If you wanted to throw in this razor and grab less detergent, hey, why not? It might be something completely different. And we're going to need this $3 coupon, so you'll have to have that loaded for this little dealio. So looking at the math in a different way, just kind of like mixing things up a little bit, we're going to grab 3 Gain products for $6.95 each for $20.85, and one Chic Classic razor for $4.50. So the total is $25.35. After the last item is scanned, you punch in your phone number. 5 off of 25 and 5 off of 20 are coming, along with $5 of digital manufacturers. So you're paying $10.35 out of pocket, and then you're going to make 2 $2 submissions to coupons.com for the 2 different Gain products. So the final price point here is $6.35 for the 4, or $1.58 each. So if you do not get insert coupons, but you do have the coupons.com app and you have those 2 rebates floating around, or the 2 coupons floating around in your gallery, this is a deal definitely to do, and it's really excellent to pay this little for Gain products. I mean, it's amazing. Okay, guys, last deal that we have is deal number 3 with digital coupons. So we need the 2 cornerstones, which is the 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20. Please make sure you have both of these loaded. We're going to be grabbing one of these at Big Mama's for $13.50. And then we need this digital coupon attaching, which is this guy. So how great is that? Make sure that you have it loaded. And then if you go over to your coupons.com app, well, there's a very similar one, but we're only using one digital coupon. So hopefully you can see where I'm going with this. Grabbing 2 of them, it's $27. They're $13.50 each. After the last one is scanned, you punch in your phone number. The 5 off of 25 and the 5 off of 20 store coupons are coming off, along with one $3 digital. You're left with paying $14 out of pocket. And then you're going to make a $3 submission to the coupons.com app. The final price point here is $11 for the two, or $5.50 for these massive containers of the Gain Flings. So that is not a bad little deal. However you slice it or dice it, guys, there is some Gain deals to be had and found. And if you can head out on that Saturday and try and make a couple of these deals happen, that is absolutely the date to do it, because we barely see this 5 off of 20. And when you can just like scrounge together a couple of deals to make something happen, well, this is when you'll have the deepest savings for Gain merchandise. And I know a lot of you are huge fans of it. So make something happen. Find some time on Saturday to go out to the store. Good luck with this. Follow my Instagram, and here over on YouTube, any changes or anything, I'll pin it to the top of this video or throw a little note on my Instagram if there's like snafus or problems on Saturday. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.